So late last week, Ambarella announced their earnings and the stock fell. This is despite the company reporting a great top and bottom for Q4, but also solid guidance. Now, the question is, why did price crash instead of moving higher? Well, a couple of things to note. This is the monthly chart, and you do have this massive support resistance band. Again, on the monthly chart, you do have these sell wicks. Now, when you scroll down to the weekly chart, you can see those sell wicks a bit more pronounced. You can also see that you did have a weekly sell level. It's not the prettiest, but this is where price just collapsed all the way down from roughly 83 to at least the first leg down to 44. But also on the daily chart, you can see that as price was moving higher, the RSI was moving lower. Now, stay tuned to the end. I'll give you some levels of interest where price may reverse and or at the very least pause. Let's get into the news. So Ambarella reported better than expected earnings and revenue for the fourth quarter and issued solid guidance. Stock still fell. Here's what the president and CEO had to say. We finished fiscal 2025 with strong results and are starting the new year with positive momentum. We're excited the year with more than 70% of our total revenue from Edge AI, representing both a quarterly and annual record. He goes on to add, in fiscal 2026, we anticipate mid to high teen revenue growth led by our 5 nanometer products, including the ongoing ramp in the CV5 family and now the CV7 family, which generated production revenue for the first time in Q4. Now, Wall Street analyst by the name of Needham highlighted that more than half of the incremental revenue growth is expected to come from the CV5 and CV7 product families in fiscal 2026. CV2 is also expected to continue to grow. However, management is incorporating conservatism into fiscal year second half of 2026 due to uncertainty around the impact of government policy decisions a la tariffs. All right. Needham raised their price target on stock to $110 from $100. Again, price is currently sitting at $61.43. Now, one thing I want to note, if you go to the daily chart, price crashed and currently it's pausing at a key level, happens to be where the 200-day moving average is currently sitting in yellow, so that should serve as dynamic support. Let's zoom out to the weekly chart. Just trying to see if there's any levels of interest. All right, so going back down to the daily chart. See this level, see this move higher. Definitely there are buyers, but this is one low volume. And so this level here is going to serve as support, or as I like to say, quicksand, meaning price position is not going to flush straight through if it is. However, the move lower was so dramatic, price is now oversold, so charts are suggesting one can get long near this $58 quicksand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.